Hello there, Scott Melgren here at SkipperBud's in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here we have one of our Starcraft SVX 191s. This boat's white with the charcoal accent. And you see it sits on a single axle trailer with a folding tongue. It does have a bow ladder in the front, which is nice if you ever pull into beaches. See nice chrome rims on the trailer. This particular boat is equipped with the Mercury 115 Pro XS. Does have the ski tow bar up there. Nice 4-step ladder in the back of the boat. We'll jump on in, show you some of the interior here. The 191 is a well laid out boat with lots of room for seating. Easy to walk in and out of. Very functional dash with plenty of room to add fish finder, GPS if you would like. A little storage underneath. This boat is rated for 12 people. It does come with a bolster seat on the driver. And like I said, lots of seating all the way throughout. Nice little entertainment center here with some additional storage. This boat also has a nice big storage locker in the floor. There's a table that would go right there in the base. Nice sea deck up front here. Again, like I said, that nice 4-step ladder. And there's also anchor storage in there, which is nice. So you have a nice dedicated spot for an anchor. Boat does come with a full cover, as well as the bimini top. Starcraft comes with a lifetime structural warranty and 6-year bow to stern. And the Mercury comes with a 3-year engine warranty. Like I said, it does come with a nice ski tow bar, nice Jensen stereo, a full complement of gauges. So there you have it. If you would like some more information, we have several of these models available right now. Give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you.